Welcome to Valitract, the next-gen AI-powered data extraction platform. My name is Ruby, and today I'll show you how to use Valitract to extract data from your documents, whether you want to preserve the original layout or pulling specific fields from your document, and whether they are PDFs, images, scanned files, or anything else. Plus, with Valitract, you can easily supercharge your existing workflow using our API keys, automations, and integrations. All right, let's get started. 1. Access Valitract Webapp. On the homepage, click Extract Without Code to try Valitract for free. I'll drop the link in the description below. From there, just sign in or sign up for a free account and you'll get some free credits to get started. 2. Extract full document and specific fields. To start extracting, you need to create a project first. Head over to Extraction Projects, which is where you manage your projects. Click Create New Project to set up your document extraction pipeline. We highly recommend creating one project per document type for the best accuracy. Okay, now let's go through each field. Give your project a name, then choose your document type and language. Next, upload a sample document so Valitract can understand its layout. This auto-generates the Schema Builder, allowing you to extract data by specific fields instead of just the whole document. You can easily edit, delete, or create new fields here. If the auto-generated fields aren't exactly what you want to extract, find the schema prompt field and give Valitract a little extra context about your document. After clicking Generate, it will give you better results. Now, if you need to extract multiple documents that share the exact same format and schema, you can save these settings as a template to reuse later. To save your own custom structure, just navigate to the Templates page and click Create Custom Template. Build your template here to train Valitract on your specific document format. Then, each time you extract, you can just select this template to reuse your settings instantly. Alternatively, you can select from our pre-built options that already come with ready-to-go schemas. Finally, open the settings, enable any options you need, and click Run. Your project is created, and Valitract will start extracting data right away. Once the status turns to Completed, click the document to view the results. Document means you can completely preserve the original layout and tables. Easily copy or download them in these available formats with one click. Extract means pulling data by specific fields set up in the Schema Builder of your project. You can edit the extracted values right here. Remember to click Approve to save changes, or hit Reject if something looks off. 3. Manage projects and extract more documents. Back in Extraction Projects, you can see all your active projects here. You also have quick options to manage them, like editing your project settings. When you open a project, you can easily upload more documents, or click Extracted Results to see your history. 4. Using API. If you want to connect Valitract to your own system or automation pipeline, navigate to the API page. Click Create New API. Key, filling in a name, and choosing an expiration time from the available options. Once it's created, copy the key and paste it into your system. You can track all your usage stats right on this page. There's also a quick start guide below to help you get set up. Next up is Analytics, giving you deep insights into your processing performance. You can filter data by date range, or even by project. Below are all the essential tracking metrics you need to know, like team performance and cost analysis and ROI. 6. Automation. On the Automation page, you can easily connect Valitract with other automation tools. Simply click Connect for any platforms that aren't linked yet. For anything that's already connected, click to manage them. You can also find and use ready-to-use workflows that Valitract has built for you. Finally, the My Active Automations section lists all your automation flows where you can easily pause, resume, edit, or check your logs. 7. Integration. Similarly, the Integrations page lets you connect with your daily tools, categorized by functions like cloud storage or accounting and finance. Just like before, click Connect for what isn't connected, or click to manage the ones that are already live. 8. Billing. Whenever you need to upgrade your current plan, head over to the Billing page. You can choose to pay as you go or subscribe to a monthly plan. The pricing is highly affordable compared to other tools, so don't worry about that. 9. Setting. Finally, in settings, you can edit your profile, configure organization settings, add team members, and manage your security and privacy preferences. And that's it! That's the full Valitract walkthrough for beginners. Thanks for watching, and Ruby will see you in the next video.